Necessity is the mother of invention. In China's case, the demographic challenges of a declining birth rate and an aging population has forced policy down the path of seeking new industries, which can produce more valuable goods and services from a smaller labour force. The pace and extent of China's progress have triggered multinational efforts to deny access to the latest technology and equipment. This has required a greater focus on innovation, the fruits of which are evident in the volume of citations of Chinese researchers in leading journals related to new energy, specialist manufacturing and technology, including AI. Export restrictions and tariffs on Asian goods, going back to the US Textile, Apparel and Footwear Act of 1990, create the need for multi-point supply networks within the region and beyond. This process has accelerated and puts Asian businesses in a stronger position than peers in the current environment. Knowledge, skills and capital and the spread of production activity across the region form the new basis of wealth creation and its transmission across the region. Trading links within this economic bloc are as large in dollar terms as Europe. This broadens the regional investment opportunities open to us in Asia.